On the menu today, we're making a quick brunch or breakfast dish. We're making baked beans and eggs. Creamy, smoky, hearty, so yummy, and best of all, it's so quick to make. My kind of breakfast. Let's go. I've got my pan on heat. To this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. As the oil heats up, we're going to add 1 red onion that has been chopped. To the red onion, we're also going to add 4 large cloves of garlic that has been roughly chopped. And now we're going to saute this. Saute till it's softened and then it starts to turn color. Do this on a moderate heat. Don't rush it. It's best to reduce the heat and do this slowly till you get those golden brown spots here and there. And then we can add our baked beans. 1 can of baked beans and tomato sauce. I've always got a can of baked beans in my pantry, don't you? It's great for days like this when you just don't feel like cooking and you want something yummy. So you want to heat the baked beans until it's simmering, and to this we can add some mild chili pepper powder. I'm adding 2 teaspoons. This is a very mild chili pepper powder. If you like paprika, you can add that. If you like smoked paprika, you can add that. I personally like the flavor and heat of this mild red pepper powder. So once that's stirred through and simmering again, we can add our eggs. Just make light indentations in the sauce. And then we're going to crack an egg into each of these. Whoops, one of my yolks broke there, but that's okay. And once your eggs are in, you're just going to keep it on a moderate flame, and then we're going to cover it and simmer till the eggs are just about set. You don't want to overcook those eggs. Make sure you cover it so that the steam helps to cook the egg. And we're just about done. Those eggs are wonderfully set. They're not overcooked, so that when you dip into them, the yolk is still runny. Yum! So garnish with some chopped fresh parsley and serve this with some crusty bread. If you have garlic bread, that is just so good. You have to try it. This baked beans and eggs recipe is a simple, straightforward breakfast or brunch dish that can delightfully satisfy your hunger pangs. I absolutely love the combination of creamy, fiery, sweet, and smoky flavors. So I really want to know what your go-to quick and fast breakfast or brunch recipe is. Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.